It's Dave from Blackbird Cycles. And we're at Pheasant Hollow. Here's their hours.
We got food up here.
And this is going to be probably the third stop on the Cannonball Run. We've got this will be one of the timed stops. They also have food truck out here, barbecue. A lot of places, lots of shade to park in. And they usually have entertainment out here at some points. This will be the third time stop on the Cannonball. By the way, the Cannonball is going to be September 27th with a rain date of 10-4. October 4th. Rain date of 10-4. So if on September 27th, if it is raining, we will be racing on October 4th. So we're taking you inside for a moment. And they have wine tasting here all the time as well. And of course, they got lots of outdoor seating for everybody. This is Dave from Blackbird Cycles. We're at Pheasant Hollow Winery. This is going to be the third stop on the Cannonball.
Hey, I'm Brian. I'm a school teacher during the day, and I work here part-time at Pheasant Hollow on the weekends. Please come out and see us. We're at 14931 State Highway 37 in Whittington. All of our wines are made here down in the basement. We have a variety of dry and a lot of sweet wines. Please come see us.
You know, the fact that you're a teacher is kind of a good thing. Because back when I went to high school in Thompsonville.
Yep.
Our science teacher, Mr. Walmack, worked a liquor store in Harrisburg. So every time we go try to get some party materials,
Yep.
Mr. Walmack would catch us. Get out of here, boys.
Yep.
That's funny.
So now, when your students walk in, you can make sure.
I got to check IDs.
Yeah.
I got to check IDs.
There you go. Anyway, we're at Pheasant Hollow. This is going to be the third stop in the Cannonball on September 27th. And stay tuned for some video outside in the grounds, and everybody hang around, and I'm going to put her in a video anyway.
There you go. I had a teacher.
But great place to stop, good place to ride to. You want to stop outside?
Just a shot of the Honey Man.
The Honey Man? We got
How are you doing?
Boosby, huh?
This is Boozy B. This is alcohol-infused honey.
Okay.
And I'm Tim Scarborough. I'm the creator, but I'm from West Frankfort.
Oh, well, so am I.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I own Iron Blackbird Cycles over
Oh,
in
okay, yeah. Great to meet you.
Yep. So, you got any free samples?
Well, you can try everything. You can try every one of them. Yeah.
I'm on a bike, and I don't want to try to.
Now, come on now.
But,
this is just honey. It's not, it is just raw honey mixed with a little bit of alcohol for a special flavor. And it can be used as a replacement sweetener for artificial stuff. And, and if you don't want to have anything with preservatives and what have you, this is raw honey again. And you can be used anywhere you use honey.
Are you out here a lot of the times?
I'm here a lot.
Well, September 27th, we're going to be bringing a bunch of motorcycle races through. So, they may want to stack some of that in the saddlebags.
Well, you know what?
And I usually pick some of that up, and I carry it in the bag with with all my hunting supplies for my bird dogs. Because pointers tend to go hypoglycemic.
Yeah.
And now I can have a drunk bird dog.
What we need to do, actually, I think they would. I don't know, the sugar crash might be too much, but what we can do is, if you'll get my card, I'll prep you beforehand, because I'm going to be at John A. Logan that weekend.
Okay.
And fishing day is the same weekend, so I'll be at that. But yeah, I mean,
I might need some of that peach to put in my. Bird Dog whiskey makes a peach whiskey that's killer.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Well, see, the great part about this product is that this can replace any simple syrup.
Yeah. A lot of mixes.
Any simple syrup you can replace this with, and it's going to be a richer flavor anyway. So it doesn't matter if like a bitey rye or really, deep bourbon like an RD1 or a Four Roses or something like that. There's lots of ways that you can apply it. So I'm basically set up here. So what do y'all want to try?
Give me some of that peach there.
All right then.
She's fond of that peach whiskey too.
Well, here.
Hey, how you guys doing?
I have to hide it, or I'll
Oh, yeah.
have an empty bottle.
Oh yeah, that Bird Dog. that Bird Dog brand's good for that.
And I'll see you before September 27th.
Okay, yeah. All right.
We'll stop in a couple times and iron out.
Come out and have fun.
We'll do that.
Well, you gotta try it. I mean, here I'll turn it around. So, here you go. What do you think?
That's good. It almost tastes like the bird dog.
Well, hey, yeah.